Hello everyone and welcome back. This week's trade is SpaceX, Elon Musk's rocket company, being publicly traded for the very first time. The stock is 4 days old, so can technicals really tell us anything yet? Let's find out. With only a few days of price history, we're firmly in price discovery territory. Technicals are limited, but they're already telling us something, so let's walk through them. Here's how it played out. The IPO was priced at $135, but it opened for public trading at $150. That's an immediate 11% premium to the offer price. From there, it spiked to an intraday high of $176.5 on Friday, before closing the session at $160.95. That Friday close is the base we're working from technically. You can see since then, SpaceX pushed all the way up to $229 and is currently pulling back, trading around $212. Now, on the 30-minute chart, that uptrend is clearly intact and being tested right now. And if we zoom in on the 15-minute, the pullback is sitting right at the 23.6% Fibonacci level. The first natural retracement of the uptrend move. If it breaks, the next critical zone for the bulls is the 38.2% Fibonacci around $203. It sits right alongside the $200 psychological level. That's a double confluence that will be key to hold. Momentum is with the sellers on short term. Watch for stabilization and a histogram crossback before positioning for the next leg higher. Now on IG platform, 60% of clients are long, and TipRanks gives SpaceX a smart score of 8 out of 10. And the fundamental backdrop couldn't be more bullish. This was the largest IPO in stock market history. The level of liquidity and institutional conviction doesn't evaporate overnight. The market is telling you there is a deep pool of sidelined capital still waiting to get into this name. And every dip back to key technical levels is where that demand is likely to show up if momentum holds.